Hi there. Check out these Thermal Coffee Carafes 2-pack, perfect for keeping drinks hot or cold all day. Each 68-ounce carafe features double-wall vacuum insulation that keeps beverages hot for 12 hours and cold for 24. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, these carafes are rust-proof and designed to last. The wide mouth opening makes filling and cleaning simple, and a cleaning brush is included for convenience. Enjoy leak-proof lids with food-safe silicone rings and easy one-hand pouring with ergonomic handles. This set includes 2 stylish carafes in silver and rose gold, ideal for any occasion. Serve your favorite hot or cold drinks effortlessly with these reliable and elegant thermal carafes. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.